Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your coffee thicker. To achieve a truly rich and viscous coffee, we need to focus on maximizing the dissolved coffee solids in your brew. This isn't about adding cream, but about enhancing the coffee itself. We'll explore the most effective way to get that luxurious, full-bodied mouthfeel you desire, transforming your daily cup into something special and deeply satisfying. The primary method for thicker coffee involves optimizing your grind size and coffee-to-water ratio. A finer grind increases the surface area, allowing more solids to dissolve during brewing. Simultaneously, using a higher coffee-to-water ratio, such as 1 part coffee to 12 parts water, concentrates the brew. This combination extracts more of the coffee's natural oils and solids, resulting in a noticeably thicker and more robust beverage. While grind and ratio are crucial, your brewing method also plays a significant role. A French press, for example, uses a mesh filter that allows more fine sediment and oils to pass through, contributing to a thicker mouthfeel. Alternatively, cold brew concentrate naturally yields a very viscous and intense liquid due to its long extraction time. Darker roasts also tend to release more soluble oils, further enhancing the body of your coffee. Now you have the tools to create a truly thicker, more luxurious coffee experience. Remember, small adjustments to your grind and ratio can make a big difference. Don't be afraid to experiment to find your perfect cup. For more great tips and to make meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers and other deals linked in the description below. Enjoy your rich, full-bodied coffee and savor every sip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.